D-A-R.
Okay, good. Spell pet.
P-E-T.
Okay. Put them together. What does it spell?
Carpet. That's not a word.
That's not a word.
No.
Say it again.
Carpet. Carpet. What, you have a pet that lives in the car?
A car pet?
Yeah, like what does that even mean?
What does that mean?
Yeah, car pet. I didn't think pets lived in the car.
Really?
Really?
That's your word.
That is. It's not a word.
It's not a word.
No.
When you put car and pet together, what does it spell?
Car pet. Car pet. You're just putting two words together that don't go together.
Really?
Yes.
A carpet? Do you know what a carpet is? Like a rug?
That's how you spell carpet?